We see so many things all around us. While traveling, we all love to look through the car window and we see so many things like vehicles, poles, trees, flowers, animals, people, and so on. That is light which helps us to see all these things around us. It is a form of energy which is responsible for the sense of sight. Objects are divided into two categories based on the emission of light: luminous and non-luminous objects. Objects which emit light energy by themselves are called luminous objects. They have their own light, like sun, stars, bulb, candle, fireflies, torch. Objects that do not give light energy by themselves are called non-luminous objects. They reflect the light falls on them by luminous objects like planets, moon, trees, animals, chair, book, table, and so on. Each object has an ability to transmit light. Based on how much light they can pass through it, we divide all the objects into three categories: transparent, translucent, and opaque. Objects that allow light to pass through them completely are called transparent objects, like air, clear glass, fish tank. We can see clearly through transparent objects, while objects that do not allow light to pass through them and through which we cannot see are called opaque objects, like wood, metal. The third category is translucent objects. These objects allow light to pass through them partially. We can see through these objects but not clearly, like butter paper, frosted glass, a thin layer of plastic. You must have seen a dark image of yourself following you. That dark patch is your shadow. When an opaque object blocks the light from a source of light, it forms a dark patch, which is called a shadow. Human body is also opaque, so a shadow is formed by human body too. All the opaque objects form a dark shadow of their own. To see a shadow, we need a source of light, an opaque object, and a screen. Screen is a surface on which shadow is formed. It could be a wall, ground, or any other surface. A shadow will not form if any of these are absent. That is why we cannot see a shadow in a dark room. As we know, light travels in a straight line. When any opaque object blocks the path of light rays, it casts its shadow. No shadow is formed if the source of light is completely blocked. Shadows are always black or grey, regardless what the color of object is. It only shows the shape or outline of the object, not the other details. Shadows gives us an idea about the shape of different objects, but sometimes this can be misleading. For example, now on the screen you can see a shadow of a triangle, but this is actually a shadow of a cone. The size of the shadow depends upon the distance between the source of light and the object and the distance between the object and the screen. The size of the shadow increases when we bring the opaque object closer to the source of light. And the size of the shadow decreases when the object moves away from the source of light. Size of the shadow also depends on the distance between object and the screen and the position of source of light.
Hope you like my video. Don't forget to